Alrighty, back at it. See how this does. I don't even know what quest I'm on. Oh, the mine. I actually need to go train. All right, I need to get that adjusted. Below my unit frames. All right, get that built out. All right, what I say I'm doing? Oh, I gotta go to the warrior trainer. So I need this to display how many I have. All right, so it does say rend, defensive stance, which okay, I can't really get that yet. It says rend twice. That's a bug. Went to buy my level 10 warrior skills, and it had rend rank 2 and just rend up. So it still says available now. Rend, even though I bought rend for rank 2. So we'll get that fixed. Don't think I put that in there yet. Okay. And it also has all my defensive stuff, which I don't know how I'm going to do that. I mean, it's important to know to get that, but uh, hmm, oh well. How much money do I have? 12 gold. Any of these guys sell backpacks or something? Okay, Ren should go away. Yeah, guess I got some error. Nope, still showing Rand. Probably gonna die. Okay, it fixed it. Let me see. Well, it says it did. Got rolled. Somebody rolled. Ren's still there. Okay. I added a lot of stuff. I probably need to clear out some of this, do a little bit of optimizing. Yeah, because I even have some errors from my add-on. I'm still getting double scrolling combat text. I wonder if I can turn off. I might turn it off for everything. We'll see. No, it works. Okay. This needs to go slower. Okay. Whoops, not. Why don't he re-roll? Reload. What? Debug trainer. Nothing pulls up with debug trainer. I did. Lifeline, debug trainer. Lifeline, trainer, debug. All right. I'll send this to you. All right. Check screenshot. This or that is all it gave me. It's in screenshot folder, my friend. Read the docs. That is where you deploy. This guy. I reload him for a second. He forgets where he's supposed to deploy the code. I don't even know what I was having him change. Oh, okay. For the scrolling combat text, let's slow it down some. It's this hearing before I even see it. Oh my gosh, that looks horrible. Here, cast another one quick. There you go. Oh man, dang it, I screwed up. I'm trying to get the screenshot when he's casting, and I keep missing it. There we go, got it. Spell name is behind the nameplates. Clean that up. Let me reload because apparently scrolling combat text supposed to be a little slower now. Let's see. Yeah. It kind of pauses a little bit. I like it a little better. Yeah, that fireball thing, that's going to have to get adjusted. Got ourselves an upgrade. Loose chain belt. Quit. That equip button needs to be nicer. Equip button when I get a gear upgrade needs to be in line with our other buttons, not lizard base UI. Thank you. Why don't I have warning text? Being in a mine. See me? There you go. I want to pull them both. It was risky. That was risky. I want to go against the caster now. Let's see how they fixed it. Oh, we completed the quest. What is that quest? Not sure what quest it's telling me to go to. That's the Jasper, man. This must be. Yes. Multiple enemies, run! We live. What is this saying to do? Just hang out here? I don't understand. That's a little off. But yeah, we need our bags and inventory. Our bags and um, action bars to say quantity. Our bags and action bar buttons to say the quantity of the item we have if it's over one. I wonder when it's a good time to say someone to go do their warrior quest. No one really needs defensive stance at 10, do they? I wouldn't think so. Greetings. Why would it do that and not have me pick up? I mean, I guess. Yeah. All right, we'll turn that in. Ooh, only 4 free bag spots. Okay, so this is saying how many. Perfect. That's not saying how many. Okay. Action bar buttons are working, but the inventory in my bags is not showing quantities. Maybe figure it out. Okay, the next thing I'm gonna have to do is go level back up. See how well it works. We've kind of got it. We're going to 10's pretty good, but we'll see. Test, test, test all day long. just really wants me to turn in this quest over here. Gotta trust it. And it probably should send me back this way. Yeah, it should send me to the Rainer, I think. It's not good. No waypoint. Okay. I just turned in Coral Bros feed in Westfall, and there are level 10 quests available close to me, but back in Elwyn Forest. Why? Oops. But the go-to is saying Goldshire. No arrows on this map. It says to, what does that say? Work Goldshire loops, then transition towards Eastvale, oh, and Westbrook carefully. And also I need to fix this. Hold up. Also look at screenshot. Next step is word wrapping too low. Please move. Next step. Title or next step to the top of the card. The same with go to and the lifeline bag. Okay, let's see if it'll do all of that. That was a lot of things to give it. But we kind of had to stay here for a little bit because I want it to know that the level 10 quest, whoops, level 10 quest right here are what I should be going to. Instead of saying just do loops. Like there's so many quests right here, all level 10, well, really just 2 or 3, but I can understand Hogger. It's level 11 elite, but the collector or over here, why didn't it ask me to do that guy? So got a little confused. Yeah, when I was over here, it wanted me to go to a level 9 quest in another zone instead of a level 10 quest here. But this one's that one that's on the ground, and it's not thought of. I think they got to be closer to that. Right. It says it found some bug. Also, there should be some cool Hogger find a group for this epic battle or something. It's a level 11 elite quest. All right, let's see if they fixed any of this. They did not. Made it worse. Made it worse. Save as. Whoa, it's telling me to go here? Oh. Okay, let's go back in here. See if it changes. Yeah, we like lost Tom and everything. Oh, there's a bug. Okay. Look at screenshot. You still need to fix the whole top row or top section. Next step is not on the top neither. Oops. Either is go to or bags. Bags actually is not right aligned. The actual bag is, but not the label. All three need to be pushed to the top. And next step needs to be wider so it doesn't wrap so quickly. All right, fix that. Hopefully, the screenshot tells them what to do. I guess I like the step, but should have had me do some more of these quests. There's not a lot, but there are. That one I definitely need to go do. Okay, refresh. Reload. Oh, we have lost. We have lost some things. That's not good. Look at screenshot. Go to is looking good, but we lost the left and right sections. Just completely lost them. Get to go test how close I have to get to this guy. Oh, did it fix already? Said he did. Ah, you fixed it. Wonderful, wonderful news. Wonderful new job. Okay, well, we'll just leave it at that. Can we make next step wider and go to not as wide? Last, we'll just say we'll make it wider. So it doesn't wrap so soon. It might be at the edge of the container right here, or the edge of the column. So it might be as far as it can go. I don't know. Hey! Oh gosh. Yeah, I knew it was gonna like so this is all one big deal. I figured that was gonna happen. Check screen dot. By doing this, you pushed over the middle action bars, which is a big no because we love our action bars. Action bar location. All right. It's definitely going to say it's in the same column, so that's why. Is our DPS working? Yeah, okay. All right. And well, it did. But it. I want this to be uniform, right? Like hardly any padding there. It's shifted this over too much. Look at screenshot. It didn't. Well, I'll just say action middle action bars are still not centered between the two side action bars. So that needs to be fixed. Don't mind this part so much. Okay, backspace is tight. Let's go to this vendor. Yeah, we'll solve that. Whoa. The heck? You see that? What? Why in the world did that get up so big? Okay, my cast bar needs to say what I'm doing. So, bandaging, casting, whatever spell, her thing, etc. See if they fixed it. He did. This looks so much better. Maybe my next step needs to be in the middle. Let's switch those two around. Let's put next step in the middle and go to on the left side. Since next step needs more room, you will have to adjust that. Or, yeah, just so next next step has a lot of the center and go to not as much on the left side. That's probably the right play. Because next step should be kind of confusing. Next step and go to anyway. I mean, next step explains what you should do. The go to is like tells you who to go to. What am I doing? And I've completely lost Tom Tom. The arrow, at least. Let's see how much this screwed up. Ooh, not at all. I like this better. Except looks good, except next step. Label needs to be centered. And, well, it doesn't necessarily need to be centered, but I'm going to do anyway. And higher. Still don't know what this random Tom Tom block is. I might have to check into that. Let's see. Okay. Next step. Doesn't look like the description is centered. Not this. Doesn't look like the next step value is centered. It looks like it's still left aligned, but the edge actually I'll just have it go left aligned. That'd probably be better. No, it's not. We want it centered. Look at screenshot. We need next step and the value of the next step centered above the action bars and at the top. The height is good, but I think the center has been moved over to the right because, or before we switched go to and next step. Maybe that makes sense. I kind of confused myself on that. I'm getting a little tired. Yeah, I figured that. It's anchored off the header's left edge. This might screw everything up. We'll see. No. Nailed it. Beautiful commit. Beautiful. Let's commit. Anytime I do something that somewhat looks good, commit so I don't lose that build. Alrighty. Okay, there is a quest called Discover Ross Fate, which is a turn-in quest for something on the ground. I can't even on the ground. It is level 10 and really close to me. And all right, that's gonna do it for me.